So this question wasn't really discussed in our mini lectures, but I thought it would be a good question to answer. And it's on whether or not the color and the shape of the bottle matter. And the answer is yes. Yes, it does. So the color of the bottle is actually really important because it helps protect the wine from degradation due to prolonged UV exposure, also known as light strike. And this is really important for age-worthy wines such as bold reds or champagne. Since red wines undergo maceration, or the process in which color pigments and tannins are extracted from the grape skin, these compounds can become damaged under constant UV light exposure. Additionally, unlike other wines, champagnes actually undergo a secondary fermentation process and aging process for several months in the bottle before it can even be consumed. So ultimately, if a wine is stored and aged in a bottle at any point, it needs to be protected from light. But for wines that can be consumed much younger or don't require any aging, can be packaged in clear bottles. The shape of the bottle also matters, and in many cases it's cultural, but it can also be very practical. Cultural meaning a specific wine region will use a distinct shape of a bottle for historical or traditional reasons, and practical meaning that it's beneficial to package the wine in a particular way to preserve its integrity. For instance, champagne bottles are built to withstand high internal pressure from the carbonation. The punt, or indentation at the bottom of the bottle, helps distribute pressure evenly, and the thick glass protects the wine from light and helps maintain consistency in the aging process. So let me know if this clarifies things for you, or if you need me to elaborate on anything else, and I hope to see you in this week's class, where we'll talk about the fundamentals of wine tasting and how you can identify the reasons why you like or dislike a wine. Cheers.